Meaning of hysterectomy.
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 Hysterectomy. Hysterectomy is a surgical procedure that involves the removal of a woman's uterus. This procedure may also involve the removal of other reproductive organs such as the ovaries and fallopian tubes. Hysterectomies are most commonly performed to treat conditions such as uterine fibroids, endometriosis, or cancer of the uterus, cervix, or ovaries. The procedure can be performed through various methods, including open surgery, laparoscopy, or robotic-assisted surgery. After a hysterectomy, a woman will no longer have menstrual periods and will not be able to become pregnant. The surgery can also have other physical and emotional effects on a woman's health and well-being.